Actually, it's a huge difference from TV to films and again to TV. And I first did my first show was for Sony Humsafars, and then I stopped doing that for Ghayal. I started doing Ghayal once again, and then again कुछ time मिला तो again then Parvar season 2. So it's good, you know. It's all about what you love. नहीं अभी तो सिर्फ films, concentrating on that only. TV तो you know for getting polished. No, he's cool with everything.
I joined Shamak Dawes Institute, where I did dance for like 6 years and became an average dancer. Like all technicality, obviously I know about it. But then like I also in between I worked in a BPO. Like I've done a normal job as well. I always wanted to be an actor, and but I had a clue that after only my studies and after only my graduation, I complete my graduation, only then I will try for acting. Well, like others, even I was giving auditions, and I just got a call from Harry Parmar, a casting guy, and he called me up, and like his assistant called me up, and he told me that you will be auditioning for Ghayal Returns. That time it was the title name was Ghayal Returns, and I gave the audition. I got a proper script for like 2 pages, and I gave the audition, and it went well. Like the audition was quite long for 40 or 45 minutes. I gave it, and then I was like, okay, ho gaya. After two and a half months, I guess. After 2.5 months, I got a call back that you'll be meeting Sunny Deol. So that's when I realized, okay, but still it wasn't finalized that we are. I'm part of it, and I wasn't aware that the audition what I had given was of one of the lead roles, because this is my first work. So before auditioning or something, I just prepared the script. I had not questioned the casting guy, like what sort of character I'm playing in the movie. So that was a surprise for me.
The casting guy, Harry Parmar, he called me up and he said that there's a role of Zoya and we want to test you. I was like, okay, I'll come there. And I was shooting for Humsafars also. So I was extremely tired. He gave me the script and I was a bit tired. So he called me and the audition lasted for, I think, 3 or 4 hours because he wanted the best, and I was extremely tired. He was like, I want you to do it. I was like, yeah, I'll come someday else. He's like, no. And then ऐसे आधा दिन चला गया, and then I went, and after a few days he called me again for the audition, and he was like, Sunny sir wants more variations. So I was like, okay, I'll come, and then I gave, and then I went away. And then again he called me and he said, Sunny sir wants to meet you. I was like, okay, wow. And that was really surprising because I wasn't expecting anything else. So yeah, this is how I landed up here. No, not really.
I wasn't scared or something, but I have seen his movies. I've seen Damini and Ghatak. So in past, so I was a fan of like those movies. Then Ghayal I had seen, but like I had not seen like properly. I had seen in TV obviously. I was a fan of him, but not like I wasn't scared or something. Because I was so focused on my like that was a phase when I was really looking for work and all. So when I went for like or to meet Sunny sir, so I was just smiling because to sit in front of him is like a big achievement itself. So I won't say nervousness, but I already had that respect for him always.
See, I was expecting that he must be really short temper. जैसे हम लोग ने उसको on screen देखा है, I thought he must be like that. But then when we spoke, when he was asking me some questions, he was totally different. He was totally different. He was calm. He was just different than I thought, because friends बोल रहे थे कि वो पता नहीं कैसे होगी, अच्छे से बात करना, गुस्सा हो जाए तो फिर पता नहीं क्या होगा. But you know, mindset वही हो जाता है. But then he was very chilled out. हम लोग ने जब शूटिंग चालू किया था, जब ख़त्म हुआ पूरे 1 साल, throughout the year I was very nervous. But then you know, you just have to face it.
Well, I play a character whose name is Varun in the movie, and he belongs to a joint family. The character basically is someone who who's scared of normal things. He doesn't believes in taking risk or something. But as we four are there in the movie, so but Varun is someone who will do anything for his friends. So he believes in friendship, and that's how eventually the story is like the character of Varun. That's what if you see, when you see the movie, you'll get to know like what risk he basically takes for his friends. When it comes to friends, he'll do anything for them.
My character name is Zoya, and she's a tom girl. And she has this cute little pet called Skype, जो उसके बच्चे जैसा है. वो उसके लिए कुछ भी कर सकती है. And then she has 3 friends, वरुण, अनुष्का and रोहन, जिसके लिए वो पूरी दुनिया उल्टा पुल्टा कर सकती है. तो आप वो सब मूवी में देख लोगे. So yeah, hoping for the good.
For me, it's like I'm just waiting for the movie. Like once the movie is released, then I'm just waiting. Like what sort of auditions I get basically. I've not planned anything in my mind right now. Like what sort of work? Yeah, obviously I want to work with. I'll be fortunate if I work with good directors, so that I can grow as an actor and I can learn from them. Nothing with like basic, nothing pre-planned. Like I want to work with specific directors or something. But only where I grow as an actor, I learn. That's what I want to do. Heroines, I would say Priyanka Chopra is one of them because she is like a really good actress, and I've seen her like I loved her in Etras long back. So since Etras, where she has come, I really respect her. Like that's what like I just love her, like her acting.
I have no idea where will I land up after this, but I'm hoping for the good, and let's see what happens. So I don't want to, build my expectations that high. Then I just don't know what will happen after this. I think Salman Khan. I don't know. हाँ, age group का नहीं है, but still I just love him.
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't actually know because it depends. I don't know. I really don't know. It depends on my mom what she says because I don't think it's the. I just don't know. I don't know. No. She was quite happy.